Hi, hi everyone. Here I'm your surprise. If you remember, your ICT teacher always gives you a surprise. So, I'm your surprise. I am going to support you in this lesson. Take care of yourself, take care of your family too. Stay home, stay safe. Before starting Unit 4, we are going to learn basic information and features about Scratch. So in this topic, we are going to cover introduction about Scratch. And inshallah, your teacher will help you to practice Scratch with the help of practical tutorials. This Thursday, before starting Unit 4, we are going to attend ICT theory session. Good luck, friends.
Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are safe. Inshallah, everything will be fine soon and we will be back to our normal school routine. Before starting Unit 4, I planned to give you a topic about Scratch that will consist of all the basic information related to Scratch. So this Thursday, we are going to take theory session of ICT about Scratch. Dear students, as we all are following e-learning, so for online learning, it is a good idea to decorate our study table. Here are some of the pictures so you can take idea and decorate your study table. Keep all your files, all your worksheets, books, pencils, colors, markers organized. You can help your brothers and sisters as well. I will be waiting for your pictures. Decorate your study tables, working area, and send the pictures to me. Good luck.
Dear friends, by the end of this lesson, we will be able to know these 2 points. Number 1, what is Scratch? Number 2, what are different features in Scratch to use? Today, we are going to cover some basic features of Scratch. Inshallah, with the help of practical tutorials, we will learn step by step more features.
Dear students, starting with Scratch, it is very important for us to understand what is programming language, because Scratch is all based on coding or programming that will help us to create games or animations. So we are going to discuss some points. Point number 1, Scratch uses programming language to create animations and games. Number 2, programs are instructions that tells computer what to do. So, for example, I ask my student to go to ICT lab. So, in case if the student doesn't know where is the ICT lab, so I will just tell him or her the directions. For example, go straight, then go right, then go left, and after 2 classes you will see ICT lab. So same programming language gives instructions to computer or shows a way to computer what to do. Point number 3, programming is also known as coding. So both of these words are same. In case in Scratch we use codes or coding, so dear students, don't be confused. Programs, programming, codes or coding, these are the same meanings. So it's correct if you use programs or you use codes. Both are correct. So dear students, coming to point number 4, programs are written in programming language. So as a human being, we have different languages, right? For example, English language, Arabic language, then Urdu language. Same, computer is a machine, technology is a machine. So a technology, whether that is a computer, whether that is a mobile, whether that is a software, all of them have one language that a technology understands, and that is programming language. So the programming language, like in the previous slide, I added a point that programs give instructions to computer what to do. So here when I type A, the program is going on that tells the computer that a person has pressed the button A on a keyboard. So now show that A on a screen. If we are using Microsoft Word or if we are using Paint, whatever software. So now coming to point number 5 to explain this point further. All the software are created with the help of programming language. So whether you are using Microsoft Paint or you are using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, or Scratch, whatever software you are using that are made in language that is known as programming language. So dear students, it will be easy for you to understand this slide because we already know what is programming language. Can anyone tell me what is the title of this slide? Yes, please. Great. What is Scratch? Can anyone read point number 1? Okay, students can read it. Very good. Come on, read. I will read it with you. Scratch is a free, very good, software that uses programming. Programming what? Language. Very good. So we can create our animations by Scratch using codes. What is point number 2? Let's read. With Scratch, you can what? Can you read it? You can? Excellent. You can design your own games and what? Very good. Animations. Point number 3, you can save and share your animations with your friends. So for point number 3, you should have your email address. If you have your email address, you can create your game, you can create your account and then you can save and share it with your friends, whatever animations you have created. So now we are going to see how the Scratch logo is. Logo means a small picture or icon of a software. Dear students, in ICT lab, I always ask you to open Microsoft Word, the blue W. So if you remember, the Word logo is blue W. Same when we were using Microsoft Excel, so I used to ask you to open Microsoft Excel, the green X. So the green X picture was the logo of Microsoft Excel. So same here, the logo for Scratch is a cat or written Scratch in a style.
Dear friends, can you see logo of Scratch? I can see it and I am pointing it with the help of my finger. Please, can you point it with the help of your finger on your screen? Great! So now we know how the Scratch logo is.
You all are my ICT stars. Good students. Keep it up. Dear students, the picture that you can see, the gray color of Scratch, this is the old version of Scratch that was created many years back. It is still available on Google Chrome. You can just install it or download it in your computer. But we are going to learn Scratch that is created online. online Scratch website because that is more easy to understand, colorful, and the new version. So better to start learning softwares with the new versions that everyone are using. These two are the pictures of new version of Scratch, or you can say online Scratch. So you can just go and type the website of the Scratch or the address of the Scratch, and then it will show you the first page. The first page looks like this, that is at the left side, and this, when you click on create, it will show you the second page where you will start creating your games. So now you can see the difference between the old version of Scratch and the new version of Scratch. So the newer is more attractive and more colorful, and you can enjoy more to create your animations and games. In Scratch, we have ready-made tutorials as well. If you open Scratch, you have the button of tutorial. When you click the button of tutorial, it will take you directly to number of tutorials from where you can take idea and start creating your games or animations. Dear students, any object or thing that you choose to create your game or animation is known as sprite. It could be animal, it could be a person, it could be a thing. It's all according to you how you want to create your game or animation. Sprite could be more than one. It's about your creativity, how you want to create your game. Dear students, you can see hand pointing towards a small bin. The sprite is in blue color. That means it is selected. And if you don't need any particular sprite, so you can click on the bin and delete that sprite. Inshallah, in practical session, I will show you how to select and delete sprite. You can see Muhammad's hand pointing towards a button. You have to click this button to change a sprite or choose any other sprite. There is a second button next to choose a sprite button, and this button is to change background of sprite. We are having many categories or types of background designs and of sprite as well. Inshallah, in practical tutorial, you will see how many types of sprite we have that we can choose, or the backgrounds we have that we can choose. If you are having an idea of creating your game, so you can choose background according to that, and you can choose sprites according to that. You can choose one sprite or more than one sprite. It's all about your idea how you want to create your animation or game. Once you will start practicing on sprite, it will be easy for you to go step by step and create really good games. Dear students, you can see Muhammad pointing towards green flag. Let's start explanation with one example. For example, you are driving and you want to go to school. So, in front of you, you can see the traffic light is red. Can you continue driving? Good. You cannot. You have to stop your car. And after 1 minute, the traffic light changes to green color. So, will you stop? Bravo. No. If the green light is there, you have to continue driving. So, the same concept is here in Scratch. The green flag means go or start the game. So, whatever animations you have or you have created, after clicking the green flag, your animations will start working. And if you want to stop that animations, you will click on the red button. The concept of traffic light is same used here in Scratch. Dear students, now Can you tell me, what does this red color button do? We already discussed this in our previous slide. Excellent. If we press the red button, our game will stop. Muhammad is pointing towards coding area. It's an empty area where you can click, drag, and drop your codes to create animations or games. Let's read slide. Click and drag the codes from the left side to the empty white area. Dear students, Scratch is a software for younger people to understand programming language or coding. So here you don't need to type codes or programs. It's already there built for you, and you can just click and drag the codes that you need in a coding area. So let's read the slide. A left side of a page, you can see different colored circles. It has different option of coding to create your games and animations. Do not worry, students, we are going to learn about all these codes step by step, slowly in our practical tutorials and ICT theory sessions as well. I have planned step by step ICT lessons so that it is easy for you to understand. To learn software, it is very important to open and start practicing. So inshallah, when we will start ICT practical sessions with the help of tutorials, you can open Scratch and start practicing. Good luck. Here in this slide, it shows different blocks that has codes. So you don't need to do programming as I told you. You will just click and drag these blocks in a white area that is known as the code area, and then you can create your animations. So the colorful circles are the main categories of codes. And if you click on, for example, the first one, motion, so you will get all the blocks related to movement. Then if you click on looks, it will show you all the blocks related to looks of a sprite. That could be color of a sprite, size of a sprite, all the things that are related to looks. Then the third one, circle, the purple color is of sound. So when you click on sound, you will get all the blocks that are related to sound, whether to use the new sound or create your own sound. There are many other options as well. Inshallah, we will learn all these in the tutorials. So do not worry, students, I'm always there to help you. So now we are here to the end of the lesson. In previous slides, we discussed some basic options and features of Scratch. There are more options and features that we can use to create our games or animations. While practicing Scratch, you will be able to explore and learn the online software. This is just an extra information for you. If you want and you are interested to open Scratch, so this is the link that you can type in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer and look around the Scratch. Dear students, next ICT session will be a tutorial in which the first step will be how to open Scratch. So do not worry if you're not able to open Scratch with the help of this slide. In the next ICT session, I will be covering how to open Scratch. Till then, good luck, take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay home, stay safe, together we can. It's fun to study Scratch. and I can't wait to start creating animations with you all. Are you ready to do that for our next ICT session? Great students. I know you were so excited and asking me, "Ma'am, when we are going to start Scratch?" So I'm sure you are enjoying this session a lot and you are excited as well. So inshallah, we will be starting with our practical tutorials as well, step by step, so that it is easy for you to understand. See how the cat is excited. The cat, the sprite. So we are also excited. Good luck, grade 4.
Yay! It was really fun. I really enjoyed, and I'm really excited for the next ICT session to learn how to create animation and games and to see how the Scratch look. So are you excited? Yay! That's great. So in next ICT session, we will start with Unit 4 that is all about Scratch. So are you excited? Great, I'm also excited. Till then, good luck and stay home, stay safe.